Today we're looking at the red cable tie tensioning tool, a compact, lightweight 2-in-1 device made from high-carbon steel grade 45. Weighing just 297 grams, it fits comfortably in your hand or tool belt. The tool handles nylon cable ties from 2.4 to 9 mm wide and combines tensioning and automatic cutting in a single action. Wrap a plastic nylon cable tie around the pole and thread the free end through the locking head. Take the red tool, insert the free end of the cable tie into the tool mechanism, and squeeze the tensioning lever. Keep applying pressure until you feel solid resistance. That's the signal that the tie is properly tensioned. Activate the cutting mechanism to trim excess material in one smooth motion. No loose ends or sharp protruding edges. And here's a close-up of the finished installation, tight, flush, and professional.